Hey guys, and welcome back. When my boss told I'm probably gonna be laid off from work, I just found out this on Monday, and when my boss told me, I kind of got scared and sad at the same time. Like, I didn't know what to say. I never thought, he was just looking at me and I didn't know what to tell him. I was like, okay. I don't know yet, or one that was gonna be closing. So yeah, this coming Monday, I think we're gonna talk more about it. I don't know if I'm gonna be like going in less, or just if he's gonna close for the whole 30 days. I don't know yet. Some time with them, enjoy them while they're here at the house, because they're not going to school yet. They're not gonna be going to school until sometime around May. And that I will definitely be posting more videos. I have a lot of ideas in, and another thing is that I will definitely be posting more videos. I have a lot of ideas in mind, so the videos that I'm going to be posting,
First.
okay.
Okay.
Huh?
I'm gonna do these first.
Okay.
Okay. This is not the clowns.
Okay, hold on. Kindergarten phonics sheet. Draw a line between each picture and the letter it starts with.
Alright.
So, okay, let me show you.
This is pretty easy. But this starts with this. This really starts with this.
With what?
This.
Yeah. Draw a line.
Clown starts with C. See? Alright. Clown starts with C. See?
What
Alright.
else?
Pie. Pie. This
That's not a pie. Which one? Oh yeah, that's a pie. I thought it was a cupcake.
pie.
Okay.
Wait, this is pie?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see that.
Mhm.
And then this starts with...
That's not a pie. That's pancakes.
Ooh.
But it does start with a P.
Okay. Alright, wait.
What is that? That looks like a cupcake.
Wait, I think you're right.
Wait, I think that's a muffin.
I just say it. B.
One.
B.
Ball.
Ball. Beehive, whatever it is. B.
One.
B.
Ball.
Ball. Wait. Ma, this is not a ball.
Guess.
That's a yarn.
That's not a yarn.
Yes, it is.
He's trying to say this is a basketball.
That
It looks like a volleyball. That's a ball.
Yeah, that's a ball you can throw in the water.
Mm-hmm. But draw a line.
Wait.
Draw a line. Get my.
Okay.
So draw a line.
Wait.
Draw a line. Get más.
I don't know what starts with this.
I think that's a dress.
Wait. So there's nothing to do with I guess I have to do this.
Yay, we're done with homework for today.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No,
For
we're
today,
not.
yeah.
Read Tracy. Tracer.
Okay.
Tracer. We have to trace, Ma.
Okay. So my husband went to go get some groceries for us. Just stuff that we needed. He brought me this onions, cereal. I always go ahead and put this in Ziploc bags. I just don't like having the boxes there. Also, this oranges. I think he went to Sam's. He got me this big old jumbo potatoes. The goldfishes. Also brought some other stuff that I had already put away, like milk and eggs. He did say that I think at Walmart there was like a limit. You could only bring 1 pack of eggs.
1/3 cup of oil and 2 eggs. For all you need for bread is a cup of water, which we're not using that. 1/3 cup of oil and 2 eggs. Okay, set oven to 375 Fahrenheit. It says coat bottom of pan or spray with no sticking cooking spray. No stick cooking spray. I don't know, you read them. Can I try pouring the stuff in? Here, you read them because like, I'm not good with the instructions. Can I just pour the stuff in? And you can read the instructions?
Yeah.
Please, because I don't know how to do them. Can I try crack an egg?
How many? 2?
Yes.
Okay, go bring them.
Can I put the milk in that?
Yeah, hold on.
I just need help putting back the eggs. I got both of them in my hands. Put it on the side?
See.
Wait, do I have to put the milk in first?
No, you can put the eggs.
I don't know how to crack the eggs. So do I just like do it on the side?
Sí. Espérate.
I'm scared. What if it falls on the counter?
It won't.
I'm scared, Mom. Help me. Do I just like pour it? I feel like some of it's gonna get inside.
Yeah? Okay, do the next one.
I think it.
Did it break?
Yeah.
You broke the yolk?
No. I don't know. No, I didn't. I broke the egg though. Like a lot.
What do you
Look
mean?
at it.
Así déjalo. Now pour the milk.
Okay. Can I mix it?
Yeah.
Just pour it anywhere?
While you're doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and put the groceries up.
Okay. Do I mix it until like it's all mixed?
Yeah. ¿Ya es todo?
I'm pretty sure.
You need a 3rd cup of oil.
Oh.
I'll go get you some.
It actually smells really good. I've never had like banana bread or anything like that.
I think you'll love it.
Yeah, it smells really good.
And
I'm trying to get it smell together.
mix it.
Hey, what did you break? Didn't break. I broke an egg. Egg? What is that? You don't know what an egg is? I know.
Sorry. ¿No le falta leche? A ver.
Ah, you stepped on my
Sorry. ¿No le falta leche?
put a little more.
Let me add some more milk.
I'm gonna mix it while you're pouring it in. That might have been too much. Oh, that's just fine. Even if it starts to go out. How you're mixing it.
So yeah, this is what we're having for dinner. Just some meat and some sausages that we got from the store. This was actually the first time that we were trying them, and they were actually really good. Right here I just have some jalapeno and some Roma tomatoes. We're gonna be making some sauce with this.
Watch out! I'm scared.
Cuando des vuelta, nomás voltea los cuernos y se... Nomás voltea los de esos, pero tú no te voltees. Voltea los cuernos. Voltealo. Estos yo antes no usaban esto y yo usaba esto después para cargar las... Se me hace que esta es la primera que compró.
Sí, por eso la tiene aquí abandonada.
Esta la compró una vez cuando andábamos limpiando trailer.
We are enjoying this beautiful day. Ha de estar como unos 90 degrees, ¿no?
Great night.
Así como que no me doy cuenta.
I'm gonna try something.
You look so cute. So cute, my baby.